Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is tazwells. Today's video is going to be another car boot sale haul video. Really good one this time. There's some good little bits here. I've had to write everything down on a bit of paper because I won't end up forgetting. Before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the content, the video, anything in this video, any advice I give you, then don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up because it helps me out and know what you guys like and want to see, and then other people can see it as well. So don't ever forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, it'd be really nice to come and join the little love family that I've got going on this YouTube channel. And you can do that by hitting the subscribe button at the top of my main page and the bell notification, because that will notify you when a new video I have uploaded, so you can see it there and then. Please check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12, which is my normal main account, and I have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Please check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Please comment down below on anything that you like in the video. What was my best find or buy? If you have any feedback on the video, let me know down below. I will always 100% like your comment and comment back to you. The video is not weirdly sponsored. It's just stuff that I found at a car boot sale that I wanted to buy. Letting you know what I found. It's just an advice video, so it's not weirdly sponsored. Now we will get into the car boot sale haul video. First item I'm going to start with is a bit out of season at the moment, but it's always a good buy to find at a car boot sale because these things, when it comes into season, is so expensive. And the item that I found was this, which looks a little bit boring in the packet, but it is a Christmas tablecloth. Is a size of 91 centimeters times 91 centimeters. It's a square shape. It's from Pure Opulence. Yeah, it's an embroidered festive tablecloth. It's 100% polyester. I don't know where this is particularly from or where they got it from, but they literally just had it in a box of Christmas stuff. Whenever you see a box of Christmas stuff, always go through it. There's always some tat, and then there's always some really good things. Why I picked this up was the fact it was only 50p, which is really good, and the embroidery on it is just right up my street. It's not too much. It's just a few holly leaves and berries and a few stars and that, which is really nice actually, because stuff like this it shows you on the back. So it goes all around the sides and the corners. And it's always good to pick up things like this because these are really expensive. They can be when they're in the shops, they're normally 10 to 15 pounds. You find some that you actually definitely pick them up. But also, always good to pick it up really cheap. For 50 pence, you cannot go wrong. And the design is really nice. So on the Xmas theme, there was another one I found, and it was this. The lady, this is a different stall, had all stuff put in bags and then put the price on it, which was really good. This is a Christmas bunting, which was only 50p, and you can obviously see that it's little stockings or little shoes or socks, and they have Christmas all along, which these things are really good again to just get. You can sometimes get some cheap ones out of Poundland, but they're not as good quality. So obviously this one's just really classic. It's just got the letters on each little stocking, and then you've got some nice little icicles in red and white, and then you've got some nice ribbon at the top. These would be really good as well because they open, so you could actually have this along somewhere and put a chocolate in each one, or a little gimmick thing into the top of them. Really nice. But for 50p, I love things like this, and I've made ones myself. You probably saw in my Christmas vlogs or decorate with me that I actually do make my own. Any more of these are really good because you can put them in your hallway, in the bedroom, literally there's loads of places where a good bunting can go. I grabbed that for 50p. This item is quite unusual to find, but I thought, you know what, when we get into December, you might never know what it is, but I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. It'd be quite good actually. It's not my size, but I didn't think it was too bad, and it could be an oversized jumper. Yes, it is a Christmas jumper, but I couldn't resist this. It's just a normal jumper, normal sleeves, no different about it. And then on the design, as you can see, you have little gingerbread, crackers, Brussels sprouts with little crackers on, turkeys or chickens, Christmas puddings, and then you just have lines and lines of this at the top, and then it has like this dotty design at the bottom. And I thought this was quite nice. It's quite gimmicky but quite nice at the same time. And I had a look at the label. It says knitwear, which is designed by F&F, which is Tesco's. And then it also says a UK large, which, yeah, it could be a little oversized, but what I thought about, you could just tuck the bottom under. It's a really, really thick, nice jumper actually for Christmas, maybe for Christmas Day, or if you've got a function or Christmas jumping at work, it's always handy. So yeah, I thought I'd get this one as it was quite nice, and that was only 50p too. This one is definitely oversized for me. Like, I can literally stretch it so far down. That's what it looks like, but it's very long, and you can tell I could have done with like a medium or a small, but hey ho, you can only get the sizes what you can find. But again, a nice little jumper with a nice design for the colours and the Christmas time. And then again, I would just probably roll it up and maybe like tuck it into some trousers, just make it a little bit more fitted to me. Is this green jumper that I found. I seem to be finding a lot of jumpers at the moment, don't know why, just seem a lot of people are selling really good jumpers. It was just this one, it was on a rail actually, I saw the colour first more than anything. So it's got a really long end sleeve and like a balloon sort of arm, just a little high neck on it, this like really nice sage green, that's what kind of took me to it. And then it's just like nice at the bottom. It's not like oversized, it's not like massive either. And then I have a look at the label and it said George in it. So obviously that's GeorgeAsda. I always look because it didn't tell me the size. And then I found the size here and it says a small. And I've actually been like looking on the GeorgeAsda website, I do it anyway, and all of their clothes and what's in the sale, and this is actually in the, still on there in the sale for about £6. I will slot that photo in now. That's quite funny that I found the jumper. I wasn't particularly looking for it, but I just found it off the off chance, and I paid only 50p for this, so I thought that was quite nice for that colour. This is the sage green cardi, very, very nice. So if I just pull it out, that's what it fully looks like. So yeah, you have got like a big like balloon sleeve here, like a little high neck, which is always good for like the winter time, because if you're going out for a nice walk or going to do something outside, it's always good to have like that little extra bit because it just keeps you warm. That's what the colour is, which is very, very nice. What I would normally do, because it's just a little, it's not too big, but I would probably just roll up bottom like that just to make it a bit more fitted to me, but very nice for 50p. This item's a bit random, but I've been looking at like different recipes for a little while for like us to cook in the house and stuff, and for having room meals and everything. And I saw one recipe and they like crushed a garlic, and I thought that'd be fantastic. And I thought I was going to have to buy one of them from like a really expensive kitchen store or maybe a cheap one from Poundland, but I actually found a decent one on the car boot sale for 50p, and it's like this. So it's all like stainless steel, which is really handy because you know that this will never rust, it will never tatter, so it's really, really good for that. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's going to be really good. So basically what you would probably do is put the garlic in here, and it would crush it like so, and it would probably come out this way. I think you could do it this way as well. Oh no, that may be how it sits, so it's like safety. It does have like a little branding bit on it. It just says made in Italy, Brevetato, which is Brevettato, pat pending. Apparently pat pending means that it's waiting to get its name or its source. So that's what my gran told me. I don't know if it's actually true, so let me know in the comments if it is. For 50p, I thought that was great for like, we could do like crushed garlic in some loads of recipes. It was really good. Funny enough, I have shown this item in a B&M haul. When we first moved into this place, I said that I couldn't, well, me and Neil couldn't put any mirrors up. I don't know if I might have mentioned that at the time. We couldn't, and we've had to wait a good year to put them up. We still haven't at the moment. Bought like a stand-up mirror, and they had some really nice ones in B&M, and I got one of them, and that mirror, I cannot specifically remember, I think it was a £5 to £8. It was on them sort of borderline price. And then I found another one, perfectly condition, in the car boot sale, which I was so happy for, because I was really tempted to go and buy one of these mirrors, because they are really good, because you have like a magnifying side like that, and then you have your normal mirror, and these are really good. And I use this mirror quite a lot, like when I'm getting ready and doing my makeup and my hair. It's one of the really good mirrors. I have to keep taking it out the bathroom, which is a little bit annoying, but now I've got my own one for my like beauty workroom, so that's really handy. Has the crystal design here. These are plastic, by the way, but I think this mirror just looks really pretty. And when I saw this, I picked this straight up because I knew that I wanted it, and the girl only wanted £1 for it, so I was really happy that she was selling it cheap. And now we've got another happy days with £1. This next item is so pretty. I have been changing a lot of the knobs on a lot of our furniture. So the piece of furniture that you're like sitting on, that came with like little rabbit hooks, like rabbit knobs already. But the ones on our bedside cabinets, I've changed all them to ceramic ones, because I just think they look so much better and they give it a bit of personality. At the moment, me and my mum are looking for a few different ceramic like knobs, because we are changing pretty much most of them in the house. Then when I saw these, how pretty are they? To be fair, I don't mind. What I want to maybe put these is like on my like work table, my beauty desk, but I'm not fussed about like them all matching, so I don't have to find another full crystal ones. I could find ceramic ones, like I'm absolutely fine with that. But these were like, they haven't been used, they are cold, they are glass, they're not plastic at all, so they are glass, which I think is really nice. And then the lady had them as £3, and they are called crystal furniture knobs, ideal for drawers, wardrobes or cupboards. And she did have them for £3, and then we said, would you take £2.50? And she was like, yeah, I will do. And these also, they've come from therange, but they were probably a little bit expensive in there, but for £2.50 I thought they were really pretty, and I love things like this, so yeah, really good. This next item is probably my best buy, but I wasn't sure about buying it at first, which sounds really strange. I saw it, I thought, oh, I could use that for Christmas, but now thinking of it, I think I could just generally use it all year round. I think it's really nice bit of piece, and I didn't pay a lot for it. And it is this little tea light or little candle stand, which is very pretty. So basically this is all pure white, and it's a wooden star, as you can see, like a sort of distressed sort of design on it. Really well in the house. It's white, so you're on this little clip as well, and that's all wooden. It's got this like velvety thing on the bottom so it won't move about, and then you've got this like little metal like stand to put a tea light or a little candle. When I saw this, I thought, oh, and they had a price of it of £1 on it. And I couldn't believe that because I thought this was really nice. When I saw this, I was like, do I need that? And I was like, for Christmas, my mum was like, well, I can store it if you need to. And now thinking about it, I think I can use it a lot more. I think I'm going to put it in the spare bedroom. I think it's going to look really nice on there. There's somewhere I can put it, and then I'll just put like a little tea light on there and then burn the tea light every so often, because the tea light is really good if you get a good little smelly one. Normally I get them from Home Bargains or B&M, and they're just really cheap. Put them in there and then it makes the room smell really nice. So I might do that and then make it look really pretty. Or I could put like a little fake one on there, and that would look nice as well. For £1, I was well impressed with that, because if there was two, I think I would have probably got both of them because they would have looked really pretty together. But I'm still happy with the one, and that was like my best buy. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the car boot sale haul. I hope that you've enjoyed it. There is some good little things I found there. I found some home, some Christmas, some cooking supplies, a bit of everything. Like I've always said, don't doubt a car boot sale. If you've got one near you, always go to it. If you've got one quite a bit far away from you, go as well. Because, and also my other tip is get there pretty early, because when you get there early, you get pretty much the best sort of deals and the bargains, and you get first choice before anyone else sort of gets there, because a lot of people don't get up early. Go as much as you possibly can, because I will at some point do like a house tour and go through different rooms and show you what I've got from like a car boot sale, a charity shop, or something that we find out for Facebook Market. Like, there is some good little bits that you can absolutely find. Don't doubt car boot sale, and go if you can. This comes to the end of the video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up like I said, because it's always good to give me that feedback by giving it a thumbs up, telling me what you like, what you want to see, and then other people can see it and they can like it too. Check out my other social medias, which is two on Instagram, tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do. Please come and join, please, the little love family and my YouTube journey as we go along, and I will bring loads more of these car boot hauls out for you as much as I can through the year, months, through the seasons, through each year if I possibly can. So definitely look out for that and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below and I will 100% like your comment and comment back to you every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention, weirdly. It's just what I found at a car boot sale, what I thought was good for my house or our house with Neil, and what I thought you guys might want to see. Just an advice video, it's nothing more than that. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or evening. Take care, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.